What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be unboxing this RC transporter, and it's coming up to you next on this episode of
noprosrc.
Okay guys, welcome back. I've been under the weather for like the last week or so I apologize for not posting a video this past week, but I had the flu and it's still not really over it, but I'm just gonna keep it pushing. Anyway, so today we have this, I guess you can say it's a unique RC. I've never seen it before, but it doesn't quite fall under the unique category. This one is kind of different. I believe I picked this up off of TikTok. I'm not sure. Let's just go ahead and unbox it and see what we have. Alright. So yeah, I'm kind of hoping it's that green one right there. But something's telling me it's the red one on the front side of the box. So I've never heard of this company, VOKODO. Already I'm seeing something. These two little guys here, these tabs. Let's keep it going. Empty box. Here we have a USB charger, the battery. They gave us a card, a warranty card, satisfaction guaranteed. 1, 2, 3 tabs we gotta unsecure in order to get this guy out, but let's take a look at what we have here first before I unscrew it. It's also going to be interesting because I'm going to try to back up this tanker in between cones as if I'm taking my CDL Class A license. Get these off here. Alright, let's get a little bit of details here. I would have thought this would have had a stand that we could drop down when we're not hooked up to the actual tractor. That's an F. But checking underneath of the tractor, these tires, they are rubber. Your actual wheels are plastic. But underneath here you have your alignment right, left. And going further along the tractor, here's your on off button. Going along the side here, you got the sleeper in the back there. All the windows are tinted. 2 stacks. There are no lights on this one. That's a bummer. But overall, it looks like a truck. Yeah, so it's just pretty basic. Moving along to the tanker. I really wish they had like something, the stand, to where you can drop it down when it's not being pulled. I don't see that anywhere. That's a bummer. But this this is a pretty large tanker, especially if it's got 3 axles on it. That's crazy. So that will be a challenge for me. Excuse me. That would be a challenge for me. Sorry guys, I'm still congested. That would be a challenge for me to back this guy up. Now I thought the story went the longer the trailer, the easier it is to back it up. We'll test that theory coming up here soon. Looking at the back, The details in the back looks pretty good. Like I said, those are your connections. Well, the wheels are plastic. The tires are actually rubber. So what I'm going to do now at this point is see if she has any juice and just get a basic functionality of her. Stand by.
A few moments later.
No pros tip. Adults supervise kids.
So this guy takes 2 AA batteries. This. But once we get it charged up and everything and actually do a real world test, we can further assess, is it worth it to buy this guy? You guys are just gonna have to stay tuned. If you're new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button for this video. We would appreciate that support. Throw your post notification bell on so you know when we drop new videos. And as always, thank you for taking your valuable time to watch this video. Y'all be easy. Peace.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.